Best 3 refrigerator. I think you should get this month and it's all. Has 10% discount. Uday, Medea, Kenmore.
Number 1.
Uday compact refrigerator. Small fridge with double door. 3.5 CUF department size refrigerator with 7-level adjustable thermostat compact refrigerator. Small fridge with double door. 3.5 CUF apartment size refrigerator with 7-level adjustable thermostat control. Perfect for kitchen, dorm, apartment, office, lab. Number 2. Medea 18.7 CUF bottom mount frost-free refrigerator, stainless steel. Number 3. Kenmore 30-in, 18.2 CUF capacity refrigerator or freezer with adjustable glass shelving, humidity control crispers, gallon door bins, Energy Star certified, fingerprint resistant stainless steel.
Store more with new Kenmore Top Freezer refrigerators. Available in your choice of white, black, or fingerprint-resistant stainless steel. The full standard depth design stores more of what you need. The fingerprint-resistant stainless steel finish has more beauty and requires less maintenance. Adjustable full glass shelving helps you make use of every inch. 2 full-width door bins in the freezer hold plenty of frozen vegetables, ice cream, and more. A dedicated dairy compartment keeps butter and spreads at just the right temperature. 2 gallon-sized door bins and 2 humidity-controlled crispers keep produce fresh and delicious. Keep your favorite drinks cold with an installed ice maker producing up to 3 pounds of ice per day. Bright, energy-efficient LED light helps you see everything on the menu, even those hard-to-reach items in the back. Kenmore Top Freezer refrigerators. Live more with Kenmore.
Subscribe, like, share, comment, and follow for more facts, information, and products. Click the link in the bio to order now.